Nate, it's your time to cross.
Huh?
It's Nathan's time to cross.
Hey, Bobby. Bobby, there.
Nate, cross.
Huh?
Cross. Whose dog is this?
Bobby.
Uh, Guide seed, sugar. Up. Wow!
Wait, I can jump from here. Guys,
Nate, be very careful. You gonna shortage and you're really gonna fall down.
No, I'm scared. Wow, it's a redstone.
Clear water.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at this stone. No.
Sa likod bahay namin. Ganito ang view. Kaya maganda mag-walking dito. Kaysa doon sa harap, puro bahay. Dito nakaka-refresh. Aba, Nathan, jump back here.
No, I can't.
Midi,
No, I can't.
you can, yeah? You jump already.
No, down there I can, but up can't.
Ah, you cannot? Aba, you, George. Jump.
I'll try my best.
No, it's too wide, Nate. You really cannot. I'm joking. You have short legs and you can't.
Here, look at what's green and red. No, this is stupid.
Sunday morning.
Wait, wait.
Say bye
Bye.
again.
Bye.